Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you with a Dollar General deal. I'm gonna do the 5 off 30, 5 off 25, and I don't know what else. So let's see what we can get into, because I know most of this stuff is gone. Alright, the first things I'm going to be picking up here are these 4 bottles of Gain. We are actually going to get a total of 9 things in this transaction so that I can get that $5 coupon at the end of the receipt. Alright, and I'm going to pick up a few of these flings here. I thought I was going to get some more Gain liquid, but they don't have any, so I will have to go to another store. So I'm actually going to change this deal to just do the 8, where I do the 5 off 30, 5 off 25, and just try to get a little out of pocket. Okay? Alright, I picked up the Gain softener for $3.95, as well as the Gain flings, and then I have my 2. So we have our 8 items. I'm going to pick up some extra stuff. Right here, the balance. Ooh. I'm going to get 5 of these, and then we're going to look for the toothpaste. Alright, I'm picking up 10 total, but there will be 5 in one transaction and 5 in the other. The $1 P&G coupon is attaching, making them completely free, so might as well pick them up and put them in the transaction. And I'm going to do a second one. Alright, the next things I'm going to pick up are these Dawns. They are $1 and the 50-cent coupon is attaching. Let me show you what that one looks like. Right here. So, all I see is 4. I'm going to look down the dollar aisle and see if I can find another one. The next 2 items I will be picking up are the Bounty. We have a $3 off coupon. Off of each one, they are 2 for $8, making them $1 a piece. Alright everyone, we are back after. I was going to try to record at the register, but there was some issues. People can't wait, and it's storming, and I don't know. So, here. This one turned out perfect. My next one did not, but I'm still not going to complain. So, anywho, as you can see on the receipt, both discounts came off. All my coupons, plus my paper. Sorry if at your store you cannot do multiple coupons, but right now I'm just showing the deals that I'm trying to do right now. So, yes, everything attached went perfectly fine. Subtotal, 60 cents. And so I paid $2.98 for 18 items. Savings of $46. Great, great, great transaction. Just awesome. Now here's the next one. This one here would have been great, but I think I was at $24.95 and I threw in a gum, and either he forgot to scan my paper coupon of the 5 off 25 again, because he did, and then he realized, I was under, or some, because I saw savings, but then it's like it all disappeared. And then another customer came in, wanting his cigarettes, didn't want to wait, so I was just like, go ahead. So anywho, this was my second transaction. I threw in a Tide because the store was pretty empty with the stuff that I wanted. So I just kind of threw a bunch of stuff together because I knew I wanted the Crest toothpaste and the Dawn soap. So I just went and figured out other stuff around it. And as you can see, my subtotal was $5.29 for 14 items, $20 savings. But as you can see, there is no store savings other than the Downy. Maybe that's what I got mixed up with. But either way, $5.29, making each item 37 cents. Even though if the $5 came off, it would have been 29 cents for 14 items. But you know, that's kind of how it goes sometimes. I'm not going to fuss about it. I mean, I still got everything less than $1. So, yay! All right, everyone. I just wanted to throw this in right quick because I wanted to utilize that beauty 7,000. Oopsie. That's 7,000 when you spend 25. Really, I'm not into makeup like that, and there's no good deals anyway. The one thing that I did pick up was 4 of these. If you can see. Oh, hold on. There. So I got 230s and 250s. I got the 4 of those. And I used the 5 off 2 coupon. I don't know what insert it was, but it's good until July 25th. And then I also got 4 more bottles of Tide with the $2 off coupon, making it free. I just put it all in one transaction. And I also picked up a water for myself to drink. So as you can see, buy one, get one 50% off. Then my Tide, my water. Subtotal $18.95. And as you can see, I started from $120 and I got 10,000 bonus points from buying, spending $15 on the copper tone. Yeah, $15. For every 15 you spend, you got 5,000 points. So because I got 4 of them and that totaled up to $30, I got 10,000. Then I got the 7 from the beauty and then an extra 5 because I hit beauty. So I got $22 in points, making it $143 in my bank account. Yay! All right, everyone, this is my last store that I'm going to do. I'm going to, which I did this last week and the week prior, with the 5 off 30 and a 5 off 25, where I spend $15 and get that $5 coupon at the end. So I'm going to pick up my 8 and then also one of these for $13.95. And wait, is it 8? 9? Yes. And then I'll get the $15 coupon. All right, so I'm gonna pick up this. That's why I wanted to go to another store, because I have someone that only likes this scent. And all they had were these. What is this? Oh, this one's original. No, at the other store it was only Moonlight Breeze. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna get between 8 bottles and maybe softener or so. Alright, and for my next transaction, because I want to do 2 5 off 30s gain, I'm actually going to pick up 4 of these. I did scan, and this does attach to both coupons. Alright, and then the next things I'm going to pick up is the Gain Scented Air Freshener right here. They are $3 a piece. We have a buy one get one coupon, the digital, and we have the paper. So I'm gonna get 12 between here, and maybe if it's not enough on here, then I will get the wax melts or something. But my whole total needs to be about $52. And then we bring it down to 16. Then we should get the $5 coupon back, making it $11 for 16 items. All right. Okay, so we are currently looking at, I think it was 50 something dollars. I don't know. Anyways, I got 4 of these. I got 4 of these as well as the bottles. I got the Island Fresh and the regular. And then I have 6 total of the car vents. I know that I can get regular scent. Anything over 30 will be just fine for me to get the paper and still get $10 off of the gain items, but right now I'm just staying safe and do all gain items. And so after everything is done, it should be $15.20. Then I get that $5 coupon. So let's see what happens. All right, everyone, we came out another little hiccup, but that's okay. This was my first deal. That was with the 51 count gain flings, and then all the bottles. Everything worked out with the exception of one digital did not come off, even though I lined it all up perfectly. I think she just took it out of arrangement because it was a long line, so she started to rush. That's okay. So again, I spent this much simply because I wanted the $5 coupon to utilize on other items during this next week. Things that we will not be getting coupons on, like the Palmolive deal with the Suavitel and the Colgate and all. Well, I need some dish soap. And a lot of times we don't get the coupons that we need on that. So since it's $3 off when you, when you spend 10, you get an instant savings of $3 off. Just think, if I get dish soap and Suavitel that equals up to $10, then I turn around and use the $5 off coupon. After the $3 comes off, I'm only paying $2 for the 2 or 5 or 3 or 6 items that I'm getting. Like if I get all the dish soap, hopefully, if the $3 comes off when you spend 10 and I get 3 of the $2 Palmolives, that means I'm only spending $2 on 6 bottles of Palmolive. So that's what I'm going to do. So as you can see, I have a savings of $27 for 9 items at $18.10 when it's supposed to be $16.10, making it $11.10 after the $5 coupon. But in this case, it's $13.10. So just think that I basically just paid for the 51 count of gain flings, and everything else was for free. So I got 8 items for free. All right. And here is the coupon at the end. Yeah. On to the next receipt. All right. And my last transaction of the day is this. This was the Swiffer, and you will see 3 store discounts because the Swiffer is on instant savings of if you get 2 of the refills, whether it be the wet stuff, what is it, the wet jet bottles or the wet floor pads, whatever I got, and then also the dusters. If you get 2 of those, then an instant $1 will come off. So that's why you see 3 store discounts, because that is the 5 off 25, the 5 off 30, and the $1 savings when you purchase 2 of the Swiffer items, refill items. Okay, so that's why you'll see the discounts there. And then all that came off. Everything went perfect. I said $15.20. That is for 14 items. So really it's $10.20 for 14 items. The savings of $35. And we also got that. So yay. All right, everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.